Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner AgriGuru YouTube channel. Today we are going to explain the important scheme that is Dairy Processing and Infrastructure Development Fund. We will see each and every point of this scheme. This scheme is important for IBPS, AFO, NABARD, Haryana, ADO, RRB, SO and other public service examination and state public service commission examination. Okay, now let's start it. Now understand what is the purpose of this scheme. This scheme is for providing loan assistance to the State Dairy Federation, district milk unions, milk producer companies, multi-state cooperatives and NDDB, that is National Dairy Development Board subsidiaries across the country who is termed as eligible IND borrowers. Okay, now understand this in the easy language. This scheme is mainly for the providing the loan. Okay, loan to whom? Loan to State Dairy Federation, loan to district milk unions, loan to milk producer companies, loan to milk state cooperatives and NDDB subsidiaries across the country who is termed as eligible borrowers. Okay, now come to the funding period of this scheme. The funding period is 2017 to 2019-20 and of the scheme, and then it is revised to till 2018 to 2023, and the repayment period is extended to 2030-31 and split over the first quarter 31-32. Now understand, first this scheme was launched for 2017 to 2020. After that, after the success of the scheme, then they again revised this scheme 2018 to 2023, and the repayment, those who will take the loan, they can repay the amount till 2030 to 2031, and they can give the first quarter of subsidy till 2031-32. Okay, now it is very much clear. Now come to the next important slide of this scheme. Now understand what is the objectives of DIDF scheme. Most of the questions in the competitive examinations are asked from the objectives. Main objective of this scheme is to modernize the milk processing plant and machinery and to create additional infrastructure for processing more milk. Implementation agency and IND borrowers. Okay, before understanding the implementation agency and IND borrowers, let's understand this point in the easy language. Main objective of this scheme is to modernize the milk processing plant, because in our country, farmers, those who are doing the dairy farming and other things related to dairy, that are using the old infrastructure, old machinery, old techniques. Okay, so to modernize them, this is the main objective of DIDF scheme. Modernize the machinery and create additional infrastructure. Most of the dairy farmers in India don't have any infrastructural facility. Okay, so to modernize the infrastructure for processing more milk, because our population is growing day by day, we need more and more milk. Okay, so it is important. Now come to the implementation agency. Who is implementing this scheme and who is the IND borrower of this scheme? The implementation by National Dairy Development Board, that is NDDB, and National Cooperative Development Corporation. Okay, they can ask the question in examination, they can ask the question, who is the implementation agency of DIDF? They will give the options ICAR, they will give the option state government, central government, or NDDB or NCDC. If you find any of them in these two options, NDDB or NCDC, then you can tick it. Okay, National Dairy Development Board and National Cooperative Development Corporation are the implementation agency. And now come to the IND borrowers, who will get benefited by this scheme. They will benefited by the milk unions, state federation, multi-state milk cooperatives, milk producer companies and NDDB subsidiaries. These were the IND borrowers, means these companies and peoples will be get benefited from the scheme, that are milk unions, different milk unions, like in Omen milk unions, in every state there will be the Omen milk union, state dairy federation will be there, multi-state milk cooperatives like Mother Dairy and other cooperatives. Okay, multi-producer companies, milk producer companies like Sudha, Amul and other companies, NDDB subsidiaries, many there are National Dairy Development Board subsidiaries, they will get benefited from this scheme. Now come to the next important slide. What are the major component of the DIDF? For understanding in easy language, means when they will take the loan from the DIDF scheme, what they will do with this loan, what they will do with this amount? They will they will construct new milk processing unit, chilling unit and value added product plants. They will construct the milk chilling infrastructure. They will do the electronic milk testing kits. Okay, they will bring some electronic milk. These 3 points are the components of DIDF. First thing is milk processing, chilling and value added product plants, milk chilling facility and electronic milk testing kit. These three are the important components. Now come to the next important point. This scheme got huge success. So in 2021 June, government has added new component in this scheme. What are the components? That components are cattle feed and feed supplement plants, milk transportation system, marketing infrastructure, like it will include the e-market system, bulk vending system, parlors, deep freezers, cold storage, etc. Commodity and cattle feed go downs, and ICT infrastructure. If they will ask in which scheme ICT infrastructure, that is blockchain technology, servers, IT solution and real-time devices are used, then you can say the name of this scheme. R&D facilities, lab equipments, new technologies, innovations, product developments, renewable energy infrastructure. You will see in the modern dairy places, you will see that solar panels are there. Okay, these comes under this DIDF schemes. Energy efficiency infrastructure, PET bottle, packaging material, manufacturing unit and dairy process, training centers for the new farmers compatible with civil and other necessary infrastructure. Okay, these are the new components that are added in the June 2021. Okay, now come to the another point of this scheme. I am repeating this point once again because it is most important. Who is the implementing agency of this scheme? That is State Milk Federation, District Milk Union, multi-state dairy cooperatives, milk producer companies, subsidiaries of NDDB. Okay, keep in the mind, this is important point. They can ask you in the competitive examination that who is in implementing agency of DIDF. Okay, now come to the next important slide. Many students are asking us from where we can download this PDF. You can download this PDF from our Telegram, that is @AgriLearner app. Okay, you can also join us on WhatsApp, that is 6201733962. There also we will share this PPT. Okay, those who are in our course agriguru.in, they can join current affair course. Okay, and IBPS AFO course on www.agriguru.in. Thank you so much for your time. If you have not subscribed our channel, just subscribe it. Thank you so much.